In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove text mask in AutoCAD. If you've ever noticed that your text appears to sit on a solid patch that blocks out the line work behind it, that patch is called a text mask. It's useful for readability, but sometimes you want your text to blend naturally with the drawing underneath. That's exactly what we're going to fix, and it only takes a moment using a built-in command designed for this purpose. With your drawing open and ready, head to the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. This is where most quick operations begin. All you need to do is type text unmask and press enter. Don't worry about capitalization. AutoCAD isn't case sensitive. This command tells AutoCAD to remove the background mask applied to your text objects, restoring a clean, transparent look so underlying geometry is visible again. Once the command is active, AutoCAD will prompt you to select the text to unmask. Click directly on any text that currently has a mask. You can select one item or several, depending on what you need. If you prefer, you can drag a selection window around multiple pieces of text to grab them all at once. As soon as they're selected, AutoCAD removes the mask and you'll see the text adopt the drawing's natural background, allowing lines, hatches, or images behind it to show through clearly. You'll notice the change right away. The heavy patch around the text disappears, and the text remains perfectly readable within the context of your drawing. If you accidentally select something you didn't intend to, simply press Escape to stop the selection and try again. And if the result isn't what you expected, use Undo to step back and reapply the command to just the items you want. A quick tip as you review the result: zoom in to inspect areas where text overlaps dense geometry. Removing a mask can reveal hidden line work, which is exactly the point, but it's always good practice to check legibility and contrast. If your drawing uses strong background colors or hatches, consider adjusting text color or style separately to keep everything readable. And that's it. To recap, type text unmask, press enter, then select the text you want to unmask. AutoCAD does the rest. This simple approach keeps your annotations clean and your drawing information visible, without extra steps or complicated settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your annotation workflow.